Hey guys, it's Ivy. I'm a genius here at BMW of Wilmington. As you may remember in our last video, we added an intermediate destination with your Intelligent Personal Assistant. Today we're going to go in more depth. First, let's make sure that it's on. This feature became available in iDrive 7.0. You're going to go into Car, Settings, General Settings, Language. This may look different for you, and when this is selected, you will no longer need to use the voice command button. You can activate your personal assistant saying Hello BMW, similar to Siri.
I shall not call my car BMW. Her name will be Carla. Hello BMW. Change your wake word.
Please say my new personal activation.
Carla.
I've saved my personal activation.
Hello Carla. I'm cold.
No problem. I'm raising the temperature and activating the seat heating, so it will be warmer shortly.
You may be wondering, why all the accents? Well, not only are they fun, but we're demonstrating how the system will recognize your natural speech patterns, and over time, we'll learn to understand you better.
Carla? I'm really stressed out.
All right. I have activated the relaxation program.
I want ice cream.
Please select an entry from the list.
The highest rating.
Here are the destinations that have 5 stars.
2.
Okay, I've selected Bumbalada's homemade ice cream. Should I start the guidance?
Yeah.
I've started guidance.
I'm bored.
I can't imagine that it's boring. Maybe you haven't had a chance yet to try out sport mode?
But wait, there's more. Can you tell me my tire pressure?
Current tire pressure is okay in all tires.
How's my oil?
The engine oil level is okay.